Hello kiddies, your Uncle Spurt here, and today we're going to have a good hard squint at the fresh new TCL 50 Pro Nextpaper 5G. A rather unique smartphone boasting a glorious display that is crystal clear even in bright sunlight, with the added bonus of ridiculously good battery life. So unboxing we will go, and a massive thanks to TCL for sponsoring this video and keeping the lights on at Techspert Towers. Cheers! First of all, I've got to say props to TCL for the funky box here. It's a cunning wee tease for the TCL 50 Pro's Max Ink mode, which we will certainly see in action shortly. It's got me nostalgic for those cracking old spot books I used to love as a wee nipper, back in the good old days when my liver didn't constantly ache. Anyway, that's probably enough of that. Let's actually check out the phone. I do like the book-style design for the box. And inside we have one TCL 50 Pro Nextpaper 5G. You've actually got an adapter bunged in the box, which is something of a rarity these days. USB-C cable, a pokey wee SIM pin, and they've even chucked in an actual bookmark. It's been many a year since I've read an actual book, unless you count ones that are just old pictures. And that's everything you get chucked in the box. So now, let's check out the phone. So the TCL 50 Pro Nextpaper 5G is a 6.8 incher, but it doesn't feel that massive because it's got quite a slender build. As you can see there, that screen sports a stretched aspect ratio, so it's actually pretty comfortable to clutch. And that's despite the bezels adding a bit of extra bulk. You do have completely flat edges here, which is of course very much in style these days. And thankfully that camera bump, pretty subtle, doesn't poke miles out the back of the phone. And speaking of that rear end, quite a jazzy design here. This is the Moon Grey model, which comes with a carbon neutral fiber basalt cover. It's a completely smooth surface, and of course the matte finishing means no greasy, grimy fingerprints. So you can stroke it all afternoon if you want to do that. And your Uncle Spurt is highly excited because he's just spotted there's a bit of headphone jack action on that bottom edge as well. And when you whip out your TCL 50 Pro, you've got an edge-mounted fingerprint sensor to unlock it. Nice and comfortable to use, pretty convenient, and as you can see there, quite responsive. Alternatively, if you're wearing gloves or your fingers are just a bit mucky, you do also have a just as responsive bit of face unlock action that can get you straight into your desktops. Now, one of the absolute highlights of the TCL 50 Pro Nextpaper 5G is undoubtedly that 6.8 inch IPS display. Now this boasts TCL's Nextpaper 3.0 tech with its special anti-glare finish. So as you can see there, even with the hideously bright studio lights beaming directly onto that screen, the visibility remains impressively clear. Apparently those folk over at TUV Rhineland have certified that this display is reflection free, but it doesn't take a bunch of boffins to confirm that. Just take it outdoors and try reading a book or watching some Netflix or whatever. You'll see that visibility remains excellent even when the sun is glaring down on you. So certainly ideal for any lovers of the great outdoors, as well as anyone who just lives in naturally sunny climes. The Full HD Plus resolution keeps visuals reasonably crisp, and this screen can also automatically adapt to the environment you're in, making those visuals warmer when you're sat in more ambient lighting to keep the picture nice and easy on the eyes. Got blue light filtering, and also TCL has slapped on its eye care assistant to help protect your peepers if you've been staring at that screen for far too long or whatever. In those display settings, you can also play around with the color output. You've got a bit of sRGB action on the go, for instance. And you can also play around with the refresh rate, which as you can see there is set to smart by default, so it can scale up and down to meet your requirements. Otherwise you can just max it out at 120 Hz all the time. But that's not it for those display features, oh no, because if you squint over on the right edge, you'll spy TCL's Nextpaper key. And with a deft flick of this, we can jump straight into a couple of unique display modes, including the ink paper mode. And I really love the transformation that occurs when you slip into this mode. Just love the way that that wallpaper just melts away. And then you got yourself an easy on the eye black and white experience, which is ideal if you just want to do a bit of reading. And it's also a chill, comfortable way of browsing websites, reading documents, etc. And then when you're done, just flick that switch again and we morph our way back to the regular desktops. You do have a couple of alternative options when you flick that switch as well, including a color paper mode, which is pretty bloody good if you want to kick back with a graphic novel. You don't want to miss out on all that lovely lush color. And then the third and final option is my favorite, the max ink mode. Now this not only morphs that screen to that e-ink style, but it also disables most of your apps. You can only access the ones right here on the front screen. You can add up to 7 of your own in total, and anything that you don't add, you won't actually receive notifications for. So yeah, basically switch on this mode and you switch off everything else that's going on in the world, which, given the world in question, is a pretty bloody good idea. So you can just relax, do a little bit of work if you want to, otherwise just kick back with a bit of Kindle action and just relax in your own little peace bubble. As you can see there, Max Ink mode really boosts the battery life as well, giving you dozens of hours of reading goodness, or from a single charge of that 5010 mAh battery. You can even download books directly through the desktops, get a bit of H.G. Wells action on the go, classic. Alternatively, if you do prefer kicking back with a bit of YouTube, a bit of Netflix or whatever, well, the TCL 50 Pro serves up a stereo speaker setup with 3D boom sound and audio fine-tuned by DTS. And if we boost that volume all the way up, it sounds a little bit like this.
It's almost winter here in Blighty, which means the prospect of actually going outside is about as enticing as smearing your tackle with tuna and sprinting nude through a cat cafe. So hey, why not just stay inside and strap on a shiny white helmet and escape to a virtual world where it isn't endlessly moist and murky?
Now the TCL 50 Pro comes with Android 14 installed on it out of the box. You do only get the 2 OS updates guaranteed, so that's Android 15 and then 16 beyond that. But TCL is at least guaranteeing quarterly security updates right the way through until March 2029. I was surprised to see that TCL had stuffed a rather generous 512 gigs of storage into the 50 Pro Nextpaper 5G. And this is actually expandable as well via microSD memory cards. So you'll be able to fit quite a few books on here, that's for sure. And TCL has chucked a couple of cool features onto this phone as well, including the ability to quickly translate or summarize any web page that you come across. Just select a whole bunch of text and then you can drag it to the bottom here to translate or summarize. So you don't have to spend a couple of minutes reading an entire article that probably took some underpaid sod an entire day to write. But what about the performance? Well, the TCL 50 Pro is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 6300 chipset. Everyday performance seems smooth enough, helped along by TCL's Smart Manager, which can optimize that performance, culling any apps which are sapping your memory, etc, etc. And if you're like indulging in a light spot of gaming on the side, well, the TCL 50 Pro happily handled a good bit of Call of Duty action and stumbled my way through a good few online matches in Call of Duty, and certainly my performance wasn't held back by the phone, more my arthritic joints, and the fact that my reflexes are now comparable to a bit of M25 roadkill. And yes, if you were wondering, you can indeed play the likes of Call of Duty in that e-ink black and white mode, if you so desire. It's not particularly conducive to working out who's actually on your team and who isn't though, so you'll probably just end up shooting your buddies right in the arse. And then let's finish up this TCL 50 Pro unboxing video with a squint at the optics. And what you've got here is a 108 megapixel main shooter, and that is backed by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle snapper. You've also got yourself a basic macro shooter on there too. Now the main shooter uses 9-in-1 pixel binning in order to brighten up images in more ambient lighting, but you can swap to a full 108 megapixel resolution if the lighting's pretty good. You got all the bonus obligatory modes, including a bit of portrait action, a bit of night mode, and of course a dedicated pro mode, so you can manually tweak the white balance, etc. if you want to get a very specific kind of shot. And here's just a handful of sample shots that I snapped with the TCL 50 Pro these past couple of days, just to give you an idea of the kind of pics that it can spaff out. You can also record video at up to 1080p Full HD resolution, and then if we swap around to the front-facing camera, you've got a 32 megapixel shooter there, which could once again record video at up to Full HD resolution. Of course, it'll do the job for your bit of Skyping, Zooming, online video chat type shenanigans. Here's a couple of shots of me enjoying some sunshine, which I deliberately tracked down to test out that glare-free display. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a tasty wee nutshell is the fresh new TCL 50 Pro Nextpaper 5G. And of course the big whoop here is that super smart anti-glare display and that max ink mode if you just want to be kicking about outdoors enjoying a good book. So of course, ideal timing, bit of November action here in Blighty. But anyway, let us know what you think of the TCL 50 Pro down in the comments below. A massive thanks again to TCL for sponsoring this video and keeping the lights on at Techspert Towers. Please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!